What we're going to do today is go ahead and get these things fixed and repaired the correct way. Hey y'all, welcome back to Texas Workbench. Today on the workbench we have a 14-foot Alumacraft boat. Purchased this boat, it was in a tall field. I could not climb underneath it to see anything. Had a really horrible camo paint job on it, so it hid all the flaws very well. Let's just go ahead and jump into this thing and I'll show you how to get it done. If you got any questions, leave them in the comments below. So we're just gonna cut this up. We're gonna come right across here. We're gonna come down. We're gonna squirt it back across. We're gonna get all this old, nasty. I mean, you're not welding this, you're not patching this. You can see I already tried, it's not gonna happen. Let's just cut it out and plate it up. We've beveled our edge so we can get a nice clean weld in there. Let's go cut us off about 4x3. 3-pack of shears. I believe I got them on Amazon. If so, I'll link them below. If not, you can just Google it. You got a straight. The R is for right, the L is for left. That's if you're making a left-hand turn or a right-hand turn. It kicks that sheet metal out one way or the other. We have got it marked out. I don't know if you can see it very well on the camera, but we have 4x3 marked out on our sheet. This is .063. All right, we have our piece cut, and these are not the exact cutters that we needed to use. We needed to use this kind of offset so that we'd actually snip a long ways. What happens is it's just gonna get bound up. Now let's go ahead and square this thing up. Get that thing trimmed up. We'll go ahead and it's pretty flush. Got our edges beveled. I didn't bevel the edge on this one. I'm gonna grind it up. I'll do that in just a second. Bevel it in real nice, and then we will go ahead and fill this in. It is beveled, cleaned up, and it is in. I went ahead and put a little piece of electrical tape on there because it kept falling down and it was really starting to get aggravating. So never mind these holes, we'll address that later. I just wanted to work on this first hole here. So we got it ground down, clean, so we'll go ahead and put a weld on there. I hope this video is helping you guys out. If you don't mind, would you like and subscribe? Put a comment down below if you got any questions. I'll try to answer them. Unfortunately, I lost the footage of me tacking this plate in, and this is the only footage I have left of the welds. I also don't have any footage of the completed welds, but if we're being honest, it was ugly, and all I did was just grind it down. This is it after the first set of welds and then a grind. You can see it's not too pretty, so let's make it a little more level, a little nicer looking. Patched one hole on this side, and I'm going to patch this hole too.